This isn't a real video game character. In fact, it's not even a real video game at all. Let's go make something weird. According to my channel demographics, most of you should be old enough to remember when video games looked like this. Of course, nowadays our top games have far better graphics, but back then we thought we had peaked in realism. So as kind of like an experiment, I guess, I thought it'd be fun to try to turn myself into a real life version of what I would have been if I were in one of those video games. Does that make sense? Did I say that right? So that's gonna require me to get some nice like profile images of myself. I don't know what this is, ignore the hands. So I also thought I'd address the elephant in the room real quick. Yes, my beard is gone, I'm sorry. Back over to the pictures. If you wanna do this same sort of thing at home, there's this weird like distortion effect that happens from cameras that you'll have to compensate for. The best way you can do it is by like being farther away from the camera rather than up close. I'll kind of like demonstrate. Like if I'm up like this close, you can like see how like sort of skinny my face looks. But if I zoom in, and I get farther away, you could kind of get an idea of like the difference it makes in the shape of your face. Yeah, sure, the lighting is also different, but just trust me here. Just gotta grab some nice profile images. I don't know, just like, I don't know. That look probably stupid. All right, so we're over here in Blender now. I did a couple practice runs. Now that I've like kind of re-familiarized myself with how I should go about doing this, I think we should get moving. So we're gonna add a cube real quick, and then I'm going to subdivide this bad boy. So now we got us a little bitty ball. Delete everything that's over here on this side, and we are going to mirror this bad boy. So now anything that we do over here to the right side is going to flop that over to the left side as well, as you can see. So real talk, I don't really know how much you guys want to see this 3D modeling part of the video. I usually just skim through it and get on to the 3D printing and painting part of it. But if this is something that you guys are actually interested in watching, just let me know down in the comments and I'll include it more in the future. I mean, that's pretty solid if you ask me. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, that looks like me, right? I mean, we're basically just making a head and then like putting my skin on it. Isn't that all a person is? I mean, like, it's always at this point that I feel like I am completely forgetting something very important. Oh, yeah, I gotta be able to put this on my head. Okay, so we do need to put this in Mesh Mixer, because I don't know how to do this in Blender. I'm just gonna put it in Mesh Mixer because I ever say, oh, he's itty bitty. He's so little. Okay, we need to make him bigger. All right, it does need to be at least bigger than my head. So let's get this guy back in here making a return. All right, so that's like basically the size of my head. I think it'll look okay. Wait. Oh, no, wait. Oh, Austin. Okay, yes, my head fits inside of the thing, but my head's not small enough to fit through that hole in the bottom. Duh. What if we could we split this whole thing, like maybe down like along this line right here? Like you put the front half on and then connect the back half. Yeah, so like just boom and boom. Yeah, that works. I mean, it's not like the most elegant solution, but I think it'll work. All right, let's look and see how long this will take. This might only take like 9 hours to do this one. And if I did this one and then the other ones on the other printers, he's gonna be like done tomorrow. All right. Let's get over there. Yeah. morning, gamers. I mean, this turned out pretty good. I don't know. Like, I'm kind of proud of how well that went with as, like, easy as it was to model. So we are actually going to do something that I have no idea how to even get started on. So first, we need to, like, add the texture of my face to this, which I have, like, that much experience in. I can do basic stuff. We'll see. Oh no! Oh no! This is disgusting. I hate this. Oh no! I'm crying. This is... Oh my gosh. Okay, let's pause because I need to... One, I need to calm down. Two, we should go take like some actual pictures for this where I'm actually like getting the right angles that I need for everything. And then oh my gosh. This is going so much better than I thought it would have. This, I can't stop, my cheeks hurt, my cheeks hurt. Okay, let's go take some pictures. Hi. This feels really weird and meta. What's up, y'all? All right, so I've got you guys like 20 feet away currently, and that like helps make things look flat rather than like the camera thing. Okay, so I need to get all sides of my head. This feels really weird. I think it's all we needed. I just want it to look like as low quality as possible. It looks awesome. It looks like a legit thing. Let's pull in our new texture, y'all. This is gonna do what I want it to do. This is gonna be good. Okay, all right, so now we gotta slowly work everything over. Yes, 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 yes. This is perfect. This is exactly how I wanted things to go. I didn't mean to do that, I swear. Yes. Oh man, I look like a jerk. Why do I look like I'd be the biggest jerk in this game? All right, I think I found some functionality that might be what we're looking for. What I found is this option to export as a paper model. Like, you know how like you used to be able to make those things where you could print out a picture and then you could like fold it up and you could create a shape and stuff. Essentially, it's a functionality that lets you do that within Blender, but maybe we can just like extract all the shapes from that and then put them on the... It's the only thing that I found that works. If anyone knows anything else that would work like this, like mention it in the comments or something like that, maybe I'll see it. I believe that's what I was looking for essentially. Gosh, this looks so weird. I mean, it wouldn't hurt just to try, like just go for it, right? I mean, I can always redo it if something screws up. You know, as the youngins used to say, YOLO. Gosh, I'm gonna use so much paper, oh my gosh. I think this might work. Things are going way too well. Like, I am far past due for something to go horribly wrong. Like, usually by this point, something has... we'll see. I messed it up. So you remember when I said that things were going way too well? Why did you let me say that? You just sat there and let it happen. Let me show you what happened. So from far away, it looks fine, but if you're looking up close, you can see that there's some weird discoloration in a couple spots. My best guess as to what happened is the places that I used like Mod Podge and stuff to seal down the edges and things, it like penetrated into the fibers of the paper a little bit better. So those areas are much more like crisp and vibrant, like you can actually like see things. But everywhere else, like where just clear coat is on it, it like just sort of sat on top of the paper and made it look a little more hazy. So I think that means I have to do it all over again. I don't want to have to do it over again. Like it looks... Can you tell? Alright, I guess I'm doing it all over again. It's worth the effort, it's worth the effort, it's worth the effort, it's worth the effort, it's worth the effort. I messed up again. So you remember when I said that I should have been using sticker paper? Yeah, why didn't you just tell me to use that? It would have saved so much time. I can't believe you would do this to me. You can try apologizing in the comments, but that doesn't mean I'll forgive you. Anywho, I'm not gonna bother explaining what I did wrong this time. It's like I basically came to the same result as last time, but through different means. Don't know why this happened this time. It was a completely different thing. Whatever. So yeah, we're gonna use sticker paper now. I'm actually going with like regular matte sticker paper rather than like a glossy sticker paper, because after looking at this being glossy a whole bunch, I've realized that I kind of like the matte look better. I don't know why, I just don't like it looking shiny. This is gonna be the final time I do this. If this messes up again, that's just how it's gonna look. Well, I guess that's it then. I'm so much more proud of this project than I was originally expecting to be. It looks really cool just as an object, but I also learned a lot of stuff along the way. There was a good one. That was good. And for those of you who actually stuck around here to the end of the video, first of all, thank you. Second of all, you should totally subscribe because I've got a really terrible idea for a Christmas project. I'm not going to give too much away, but let's just say it's not something that you're going to want to put on your shelf. If you'd like to see some behind the scenes updates as I work on that project, you can go over and check out my Patreon. I'm working on some cool new benefits for my Patreon supporters, which I'll be announcing in the next video. So you won't want to miss out on that. But I mean, I guess with that, we're all done. So bye. Bye. You should check out some of my other videos if you haven't seen these already. I don't know why you haven't seen them already. Maybe you're new here. I don't know.